All right, here we are. We're gonna drop this guy down there into that canyon right there. All right, we'll get after it. Hit him! Ah! I saw that. There he is. Got him. Nice. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. That was awesome.
I like it. See it. And
Yeah. We hit that net. Nice.
I let it go.
Yeah, I'll get down here. Watch your line. Oh, I got him. There, let that fish. Come on. Let that fish right there, Luke. Just real easy men backwards, yeah. There he is, hit him. Nice.
Oh,
Nice fish, man. Yeah, it's a cutty. Get yours back in there. Ooh, nice rainbow, man. Nice fish. Oh, dude, that's a big old brown. Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Swing your rod tip towards me. Swing your rod tip towards me. Lift up over your head. Oh. Big boy. Right there. Here it goes. 3, 2, 1. Right there. Eat it. There he is. Oh. There he is. Oh. Yeah. There he is. Nice. Oh, nice fish, man. That was awesome. Oh, keep that rod tip up. There he is. Oh. There he is. Nice. Oh, dead. Oh, there he is. Out there. Right there. There. Yeah. These fish are a little dumber than the fish yesterday. That's gonna get him. Maybe a little further over. head left and walk down and get him over in this soft stuff. I don't know. I don't know. Nice. Oh, there's a good one out there. That's a good one too. Go a little further out. Get one in that fast water. Oh. Yeah, that was me expressing my disappointment in you. Oh. You were right on top of him. Go up above, like 3 feet above where you just threw that cast. There he is, nice. Strip. Awesome. Yeah. There you go, right there. Stella, sit down. No. Nice, there you go. Oh, good one, dude. Nice cutty. All right, swing him over here. Watch out, Stella, you're in the net. Get out. There you go, swing your rod tip over here to me. Might have foul hooked him. No, you got him. Here you go. There he is. Nice. Nice brownie. Awesome. There you go. Just lift your arms up over your head.